Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to schedule a future draw in Fundbox. Do you want to time your fundings perfectly? Well, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to schedule a draw in advance using your Fundbox credit line. First step is going to be to log into your Fundbox account. So you can start by signing in at fundbox.com. Once you're in, just go to your credit line dashboard. Just navigate to the credit section. There you can view your available credits. Next is to click schedule draw or any similar option. So just look for the option that allows you to schedule a future draw. This may appear when selecting draw funds. Next up is to enter the draw amount and to select a date. So just go ahead and input the amount that you'd like to draw and also pick a future date for the funds to be deposited. Once that's done, you're going to have to choose your bank account. So go ahead and select the bank account where the funds should be sent to. And once you pass that step, you're just going to review and confirm. So double check your scheduled date, repayment plan, as well as the destination account just to make sure that everything is correct. And once it is, go ahead and click confirm. Now, a couple of tips to note is Fundbox doesn't always offer scheduled draws to all users. This feature depends on your account eligibility. You can always edit or schedule draws before the processing date. Always ensure that your linked bank account is in good standing before scheduling. And that's how you plan ahead with Fundbox. If you like having funds arrive exactly when you need it, then hit the subscribe button for more tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.